Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Best laundry room countertop for functionality and style. Functionality and style are essential when it comes to your laundry room. You want a space that's easy to use, organized, and visually appealing. And with the best countertops, you can achieve both. Whether you prefer highly durable quartz or elegant marble, plenty of options suit your taste and budget. Just imagine a laundry room with a sleek and functional countertop. No more struggling to find enough space to sort laundry or fold clothes and sacrificing style for practicality. This podcast will explore the best materials for laundry room countertop ideas. We'll provide tips on installation and help you find the perfect solution for your laundry area. So, keep listening and enjoy the benefits of an upgraded laundry room. What countertop material is best for laundry room? There are several factors to consider when choosing laundry room countertop materials. It's essential that you think about the material and style that will best suit your needs, as well as the cost of installation and maintenance. The right countertop may either make or break the creation of a functional and elegant area. Which is why you should always consider the following before you contact a laundry remodel company. Durability and longevity. Durability and longevity should be considered when choosing a countertop for a laundry room. Natural stones, such as granite or marble, are long-lasting and resistant to heat, making them an ideal choice for individuals seeking a luxurious appearance. Another popular option is a quartz countertop, which has a scratch-resistant surface that can sustain daily use without displaying signs of wear. While deciding on the ideal material for laundry room countertops, consider durability and affordability. Real stones may have a more elegant appearance but are more expensive than other premium materials, such as quartz. Natural stone installation expenses may also be greater due to weight and size. Before deciding, you should compare the installation cost against the durability of various materials, depending on your budget. Whichever material you choose for your laundry room's countertop, be sure it fits your demands in terms of style and needs. Create a functional workplace with an aesthetic value that will last years by carefully considering cost, durability, and upkeep requirements. Resistance to stains and scratches. A countertop's resistance to stains and scratches is as valuable as its durability. Real stones such as granite and marble have a luxurious look but are porous and can stain if improperly sealed or maintained. The laminate countertop is non-porous and easily cleaned, but quartz is scratch-resistant and incredibly durable. Different materials may require varying levels of upkeep to preserve their appearance, so it's essential to know what kind of hassle-free routine maintenance each material demands before deciding. Consider the available space as well as the amount of storage you require when selecting the ideal countertop for your laundry room. Smaller laundry room spaces, for example, may require a more simplified countertop design to keep the space orderly and functional. Larger areas, on the other hand, may allow for more sophisticated designs with drawers or laundry baskets for additional storage. Whichever countertop material you choose for your laundry room, consider cost, durability, maintenance requirements, size constraints, and aesthetic preferences to create a functional yet elegant environment that will endure for years. Ease of maintenance and cleaning. Consider the ease of upkeep and cleaning when choosing a laundry room countertop. After all, the countertop will be utilized frequently and should be an easy cleaning one. Natural stones, such as granite, are stunning but require sealing and special care to avoid stains or scratches, whereas engineered stone, like quartz, is highly scratch-resistant and can sustain heavy use. Affordability. Aside from ease of maintenance and cleaning, affordability is a significant consideration when choosing a countertop for your laundry room. While real stones like granite are exquisite, they are costly and difficult to maintain. Although laminate counters are the most cost-effective alternative, they might show indications of wear. Quartz is an excellent choice for its durability and scratch resistance, but it is sometimes expensive depending on where you get it and what tier it is in. The best option is to visit a showroom with many different material options. Here in Phoenix, you can visit Arizona Tile. You'll be able to find the perfect blend of efficiency, cost, and style for your room with careful study and research. Style and aesthetic appeal. Style and aesthetic value are also important considerations when selecting a countertop for your laundry room. Natural stone, such as granite or marble, can give your home an elegant, timeless impression. Quartz is another excellent choice due to its durability and scratch resistance, but it is frequently one of the more expensive materials available. Solid surface materials, such as Corian or quartz surfaces, provide an excellent mix between cost and style. These materials are available in various colors and designs that can provide a modern touch to any laundry room. They're also simple to clean and maintain, making them ideal for busy families. A modern addition to any laundry room. Which laundry room countertops are in style? When it comes to laundry room countertops, there are a few classic materials that always stay in style. With a wide range of options available on the market, it can be hard to determine which ones will give your space that updated in style look you desire. Fortunately, we're here to offer some best remodeling advice in making this critical decision, so your laundry room can look its absolute best. Granite countertops. Granite countertops are popular in laundry rooms for durability and timeless style. They are available in various colors, making it simple to pick one that suits your existing decor. Granite is also low maintenance because it is inherently stain resistant and does not require the same sealer as other materials, such as marble or limestone. Granite countertops may offer a sense of luxury to any space in terms of efficiency and style. They are heat resistant, so you may use hot iron and steamers without worrying about scorching or harming the surface. Furthermore, they feature a smooth, easy-to-clean finish, and their glossy surface may make even small areas feel larger and brighter. Nonetheless, granite has some downsides. It is heavy, so extra support is required during installation, and because it is a natural material, there may be differences in texture and color from piece to piece. Finally, granite countertops are more expensive than other options like laminate or tile. Still, they may last for years with appropriate maintenance, making them a worthy investment for individuals searching for an elegant laundry room countertop. Quartz countertops. Quartz countertops should be your choice if you seek a granite alternative to deliver easy maintenance and style. These countertops are extremely long-lasting and resistant to heat and stains, making them simple to care for over time. Quartz is an engineered stone that is also available in various hues and textures, allowing you to discover the ideal match for your design scheme. In terms of efficiency, quartz countertops outshine granite. They don't need any sealants or additional support during installation, so they may be installed quickly and easily. Also, the non-porous surface makes spills easier to wipe up without fear of ruining the surface. Quartz countertops have an attractive appearance that will last for many years. The smooth finish makes any area appear larger, and the glossy surface reflects light, providing a bright and inviting ambience in the laundry room. Also, quartz is less prone to fading than granite, so your countertops will look brand new for a more extended time. Overall, quartz countertops are a wonderful alternative for individuals searching for a practical and aesthetic option for their laundry room. With its low-maintenance properties and diverse choice of hues and textures, quartz is sure to deliver an aesthetically attractive alternative that won't break the bank. Marble countertops. Marble has an elegant look, is tough and resistant to breaking, is an excellent insulator, reflects light, and can fit in with almost anything, from futuristic to traditional. And while marble is famous for its beauty, its drawbacks are its high cost and vulnerability to chipping and staining. Because marble has a porous surface, it is prone to stains and scratches. Also, marble is easily damaged and may not be a good choice for your laundry room, especially if you have a lot of chores to perform. Marble is also functional as it is heat-resistant and can easily harmonize with your preferred aesthetics. Yet, being heat-resistant demands caution, like when ironing clothes. Tips for maintaining and cleaning laundry room countertops. Now that you've chosen the ideal laundry room countertop for your home, you must know how to properly treat stains or maintain and clean them to keep them looking their best. With a few simple steps and frequent maintenance, you can ensure that your countertop remains beautiful and functional for years. Wipe up spills as quickly as possible, so they don't have time to set in and cause stains. Next, clean the surface on a regular basis with warm water and a light detergent or cleaner specifically designed for solid surface countertops. Treat your laundry room countertop regularly using a sealant such as polyurethane or acrylic resin to keep your laundry room countertop looking its best. This will preserve the surface from water damage and assist in avoiding stains or discoloration over time. Sealing should be done every 2 years, depending on the area's usage level. Cleaning and maintaining your laundry room countertop does not have to be challenging, it simply requires regular care and attention. With these simple tips, you can ensure that your solid surface counters will look fantastic for years. Conclusion. The laundry room is an essential part of any home, and having a durable, functional, and elegant countertop may make washing laundry easier. Each material has its benefits and drawbacks that should be considered before making a decision. Designing a laundry room with a nice countertop that improves functionality and style is possible. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we specialize in designing and installing custom countertops that are stylish but also durable and practical. Our team of experienced professionals can help you choose the suitable countertop material, style, and color that suits your unique needs and preferences. So if you're looking for the best countertop for your laundry room, look no further than Phoenix Home Remodeling. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and get started on your next home improvement project. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.